Let us understand the step-by-step process of using a crusher plant production form in Strategic ERP. To use a crusher plant production form, first navigate to the Weighbridge form under the Plant and Machinery module. Enter details such as name of company, project name, weigh date and time and weigh type. Enter the vehicle number and slip number. Select the material from the drop-down. Details will be fetched from the item master form. Mines will be auto-fetched based on your selection. You can select the name of the transporter, if hired from outside. Enter the gross weight and tare weight, as applicable. Net weight will be auto-fetched based on the difference between the gross and the tare weight. Enter the royalty number, loaded by person name, driver name, site in charge person name and LR number. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. Once details are updated in the Weighbridge form, navigate to the crusher plant production form under the Plant and Machinery module. Select the production date, name of company, project name, subproject and godown name. The crushing input will auto-populate based on the production date, project name and godown name. Quantity will be fetched from the Weighbridge form. Enter the factor. Crushing input in kg will auto-populate based on the factor. Under the Crushing Entries tab, you can enter details for output entries such as item group and item description. Enter the percentage based on the crushing input. The crushing output will be auto-populated based on the overall crushing input. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. Once approved, the crusher plant production entry will be auto-updated in the miscellaneous received note form. The process of using a crusher plant production form is now complete.